YouTube. This is Kentucky Wildcat Fan 78. Here is a tour of Hurricane Bay at Kentucky Kingdom. Here is the Big Surf Wave Pool, where at 1, 3, and 5 every day, they have what they call the big kahunas, which are like really big waves. Now, as we're walking along, you'll notice all of the nice plants and flowers the park has put up. And if you're hungry, if you're at the park, there's Swamp Bar Jacks, so they have burgers, fries, chicken, that sort of thing. There's the sign for Big Surf Wave Pool. The big kahunas. So we go up these stairs. Here's something you see at every state park, funnel tornado. It'll be called something different at park. Toucan's Grill, where they do cheesesteaks. Here's Buccaneer Beach for the kids. Here's the splash pool for tornadoes. Here's the lazy river and Mount Slide High. Mount Slide High is the park's original set of water slides. Because it closed in 2010, where I'm at now was considered Hurricane Bay. Actually, it was called something different at the time. I can't remember what it was called. Now, as we're walking along here, the park has fixed some of the elements in the lazy river. Like down there's a huge water queuing up that never worked before. Here are the slides. I will say the sub road goes last week. The green one, especially, that one's intense. Slides for the kids. Over that bridge. You go up where that lifeguard is, and you go up to Mount Slide High. You have your choice of 4 slides. 3 of them are enclosed, 1 is not. Here is Deluge, which is the park's water coaster. This was actually put in back in 2007 or 8. I think it's like 2007, under Six Flags. As we go down this path, you notice a lot of these cool water beach looking posters they put up for being kind of tropical. Here's Deluge. It is an oldie when you consider, because it was put in 2007, I think, 2008. But it's still a popular attraction if you want. Here you have your standard bucket tipping play slide. This one's actually old too. This was put in back in like 99 or something, 97, somewhere in there. This was called Hooks Lagoon, but then they changed the name when the park reopened. One next to it is called the Mega Wedgie. This was put in under Six Flags. It's like the toilet bowl you see in most parks. There's only under Six Flags 2 or 3 rides that were actually put in under them. This is one of them. The other one was Deluge and Tornado. Okay, now as you walk across here, this is the new section coming up. Now, the new section was put in when the park reopened back in 2014, because this was a popular B&M coaster called Chang, now called the Green Lantern at Six Flags Great Adventure. Here you have another slide complex which has like 3 mini funnels. Another one has like a big bowl. Then I don't know what the other one is. Here's like a kid's wave pool. Family raft ride. And then right back there, if you can see it, is the Action River, which is 6 times faster than your standard lazy river. Then here's the thing everybody talks about when they think of the park, and when you say the word Hurricane Bay. The blue slide and the yellow. Now the blue slide is quite different than most one, because over the second hump you get airtime. Your feet lift off the slide for a couple of seconds, and you come back down into a pool of water. But then the yellow one is America's tallest body slide, called Deepwater Dock. It's 13 stories tall. It's about 1 story taller than Blizzard Beach at Disney. And it's been a popular attraction since its debut back in 2014. And there's the family raft ride as well. It's been a popular ride too. And over there is just more seating. Here is the Action River I was telling you about just about a minute ago. You get on, instead of tubes, you get into noodles. And then here's the kids' wave pool. I'm trying to get the waves on it, but I can't. The wave times on that one's very picky. And there's the other slide complex along with Skycatcher next to that debut in 2015. And this has been a tour of Hurricane Bay at Kentucky Theme Park.